Socotra Island, a world apart. Socotra Island, part of the Socotra archipelago, lies in the Arabian Sea. This island boasts a unique ecosystem. It's home to many species not found anywhere else on Earth. Often called the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean, Socotra is a testament to the power of natural forces. Its isolation has fostered the evolution of remarkable life forms. Socotra's landscape is a tapestry of contrasts. Rugged mountains rise from the coastline. Sandy beaches give way to limestone plateaus. This geological diversity has created a range of habitats. Each habitat supports its own unique combination of plants and animals. The island's isolation has resulted in a high degree of endemism. This means that many species are unique to Socotra. These species have adapted to the island's harsh conditions. They have developed remarkable survival strategies. Socotra is a living laboratory of evolution. It offers a glimpse into the processes that have shaped life on Earth. This island is a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. A botanical wonderland, endemic flora of Socotra. Socotra is renowned for its exceptional plant life. Over a third of its plant species are endemic. One of the most iconic plants is the dragon's blood tree. Its red resin, known as dragon's blood, has been prized for centuries. Another fascinating plant is the desert rose. It stores water in its swollen trunk. Socotra is also home to a variety of other endemic plants. They play a vital role in the ecosystem. The dragon's blood legacy symbol of Socotra. The dragon's blood tree, Dracaena cinnabari, stands as the most iconic symbol of Socotra's unique biodiversity. Its unusual umbrella-shaped crown is instantly recognizable. This distinctive shape is an adaptation to the island's harsh climate. The tree's name comes from the crimson red resin it produces. This resin, known as dragon's blood, has been highly valued for centuries. It was used in ancient times as a medicine, dye, and incense. Today, it is still used in traditional medicine and as a varnish for violins. The dragon's blood tree is an integral part of Socotra's cultural heritage. Local communities have sustainably harvested the resin for generations. However, the tree is now facing threats from over-harvesting and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this iconic species. These efforts include promoting sustainable harvesting practices and establishing protected areas. The future of the dragon's blood tree depends on the continued commitment of local communities and the support of the global community. Beyond the dragon's blood, Socotra's diverse flora. Socotra boasts a rich tapestry of endemic plant species. The desert rose, Adenium obesum socotranum, is another striking example. The cucumber tree, Dendrosicho socotrana, is another fascinating species. Frankincense trees, Boswellia species, are also found on Socotra. These are just a few examples of Socotra's diverse and fascinating flora. Shaping Socotra's landscape, Socotra's unique flora and fauna are linked to its dramatic geological formations. The island boasts a diverse landscape sculpted by millions of years of geological processes. Towering limestone plateaus dominate much of the island's interior. Along the coastline, dramatic cliffs plunge into the turquoise waters of the Arabian Sea. Socotra's geological wonders are an integral part of its allure. The people of Socotra, guardians of a fragile paradise. The people of Socotra have lived in harmony with the island's unique environment for centuries. Their traditional practices reflect a deep respect for nature and a sustainable way of life. They have developed unique knowledge systems and cultural practices that are closely tied to the island's natural resources. The Socotra people are primarily of Arab origin. Their language, Socotra, is a Semitic language unrelated to Arabic. It is considered to be a living link to ancient South Arabian languages. Their isolation has helped to preserve their unique cultural heritage. Traditional livelihoods on Socotra revolve around fishing, animal husbandry, and the collection of natural resources such as frankincense and dragon's blood resin. These practices have been passed down through generations and are essential for the island's cultural identity. The Socotra people understand the importance of preserving their fragile environment. They have traditionally managed their resources sustainably. Their knowledge and practices are valuable assets in the face of modern environmental challenges. Conservation challenges and successes. Socotra's unique biodiversity faces a number of threats. These include habitat loss due to development, overgrazing, and the introduction of invasive species. Climate change also poses a significant threat as it alters the island's delicate ecological balance. Recognizing these threats, significant conservation efforts are underway. In 2008, Socotra was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This recognition highlights its global importance and supports efforts to protect its natural heritage. Local communities are actively involved in conservation initiatives. They are working to manage grazing practices, control invasive species, and promote sustainable livelihoods. Their traditional knowledge is invaluable in these efforts. International organizations are also supporting conservation on Socotra. They provide technical assistance, funding, and capacity building to support local initiatives. These collaborative efforts are crucial for addressing the complex challenges facing the island. Socotra's call to the world. Socotra Island, with its unique biodiversity and cultural heritage, stands as a beacon of hope and a stark reminder of the fragility of our planet. It showcases the wonders of evolution and the importance of preserving Earth's natural heritage. The island's isolation has allowed life to evolve along its own unique trajectory, resulting in a breathtaking array of endemic species. The dragon's blood tree, the desert rose, and countless other species captivate the imagination and highlight the importance of conservation. Socotra's cultural heritage is equally remarkable. The Socotra people, with their traditional knowledge and sustainable practices, demonstrate a deep connection to their environment. Their way of life serves as an inspiration for living in harmony with nature. However, Socotra faces challenges. Habitat loss, invasive species, and climate change threaten its fragile ecosystems. These challenges require a concerted effort from local communities, governments, and the international community. A timeless legacy. Preserving Socotra for future generations. Preserving Socotra's natural and cultural heritage is a collective responsibility. It requires a long-term commitment to sustainable development and conservation. The island's future depends on balancing the needs of its people with the protection of its unique ecosystems. Supporting local communities is crucial. Empowering them to manage their resources sustainably will ensure the long-term health of Socotra's ecosystems. Promoting sustainable livelihoods such as ecotourism can provide economic opportunities while minimizing environmental impact. Education and awareness are vital. Educating future generations about the importance of conservation will foster a sense of stewardship for Socotra's natural heritage. Sharing the island's story with the world will inspire others to protect our planet's biodiversity. Socotra Island is a reminder that our planet's natural wonders are precious and irreplaceable. By working together, we can ensure that this timeless legacy continues to inspire and amaze generations to come.